I'm going to be doing the palm rest replacement on a Lenovo 100E G3. So you can start the replacement by loosening up all of the screws in the bottom cover. Once all the screws are loosened, you can use your spudger to take the bottom cover off. Once the bottom cover is off, the first thing you want to do inside of here is disconnect the battery cable. That just prevents any shortages to the motherboard or the LCD. And now that that's disconnected, you can go around and take all of the screws out. Now that all of the screws are out, you can start disconnecting everything. So you can disconnect the LCD cable, the speakers, the keyboard ribbon, the touchpad ribbon, the two USB ribbons, and the Wi-Fi card. Whenever you remove the Wi-Fi card, you can take these two cables off of it and untangle these from the clips. Now you can remove the battery. The speakers, the USB board bracket, the USB board. Remove it carefully, being careful of the ports on the side. The motherboard bracket, and carefully remove the motherboard. And now to get the palm rest out, you just lift up on the unit to open up the hinges. Now you can grab your new palm rest and flip it over. Once it's flipped over, you can line it up with the hinges. Once it's lined up, you can hold both the palm rest and the hinges together and sit it down. And now you can start putting everything back into place. So you can take your motherboard and carefully put it back into place. Make sure there's no ribbons or cables underneath of the motherboard. You can grab your USB board and carefully put it back. Whenever you put the USB board back, you can reconnect the two USB ribbons. Now you can put the USB board bracket back on. Next, you can put your Wi-Fi card back in, and you can put the cables back on it. The white cable goes underneath of the white arrow, and the gray cable goes underneath of the gray arrow. Once those are reconnected, you can reconnect the Wi-Fi card to the motherboard. Next, you can put your speakers back in and reconnect the speaker cable to the motherboard, and then put them back into place. You can use your spudger to wrap the wire around the clips. Now you can put your battery back into place, but you do not want to reconnect it until the very end. And you can put the motherboard bracket back on. Now that everything's in place, you can just reconnect all of the cables and ribbons. So you can reconnect the LCD cable, the keyboard ribbon, and the touchpad ribbon. And now you can put all the screws back in. Now you can reconnect the battery. And put the bottom cover back on. And then tighten the screws. To verify the repair, you just want to plug the unit in, open it up, and if it comes on, then that means the replacement was successful. And then to verify that the battery is working properly, you just unplug the unit and And if it stays on, then that means the battery is working. So you can shut the unit down.